Have you ever spent hours making the perfect post in your niche only to get nothing? No likes, no comments, just crickets using the site Facebook? I've been there too. I'd post my heart out, hoping for a flood of leads and sales, but instead it felt like I was talking to an empty room. Sound familiar? Here's what changed for me. Instead of trying to talk to everyone, I focused on speaking directly to the right conditioned people. I asked questions and shared my real struggles, my wins and my fails, but only to my target audience I built through something I like to call wavelength marketing. Basically, in order to increase engagement, you must first find the people that engage in the first place. A way to do that is to search for people that have huge engagement in your niche. It is the data point telling you that they engage back. And to take it a step further, you can then go through everyone's profile that engaged the huge engagement and vet to see if they have huge engagement as well. Add these types of people as a friend and make a commitment to engage your feed at least 15 minutes a day. Knowing you have a friends list of people that are conditioned to react and comment, making you look like a superstar. Having your avatars from the outside looking in saying to themselves, wow, this person must know something. It's what is called social proof. And guess what? The engagement started rolling in. So, tell me, what's your biggest struggle when it comes to posting content? Drop it in the comments below and let's get real about it. I've probably been there too.